Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. No matter which make, model or brand wood heater you purchase, make sure you purchase the right flue for your wood heater. Pivot's Insulated Room Seal Flue Kit offers you 3 benefits for your wood heater. For starters, it's 90% quieter than your traditional triple skin air cooled flue kit. There's no wind, there's no rattling, there's no noise echoing down the flue from outside. The all stainless steel construction not only gives you a high quality flue, it's also backed with a 7-year warranty, one of the best warranties on the market. The third thing is a bit of a trade secret. Insulated flue actually makes your wood heater perform better. By keeping a more consistent flue temperature, you're able to achieve a proper slow combustion long burn. And for all the tests we've been doing on wood heaters, we're finding we're experiencing up to 20% longer burn time using insulated flue on your wood heater. So no matter which make, model, or brand you buy the right flue. Pivot's Insulated Room Seal Flue Kit, and available through any one of these dealers right around Australia.